Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Peachtree Woodworking Supply FULTON 4" by 20-foot Ultra-Flex Clear-Vue heavy-duty PVC hose, proudly made in the USA. This hose is perfect for sawdust collection and fume ventilation in woodworking applications, keeping your workspace clean and safe. It offers excellent chemical resistance, making it reliable for various workshop environments. The hose is extremely flexible, allowing you to easily maneuver it around tight spaces without kinking. Plus, it has strong abrasion and tear resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability even under tough conditions. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this heavy-duty hose helps maintain airflow efficiency. Stay tuned for more tips and product reviews to enhance your woodworking setup. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.